Arm Wanderers. So we're currently here in Patrick's on the beach here in Siargao Island, Philippines. So we'll take a room tour of our cottage here in Siargao. Okay, so here's our cottage. Okay, there's some sort of balcony here with lots of chairs. Okay, and let's go inside the cottage. Okay, so here's our cottage here in Patrick's on the beach, Siargao. So surprisingly, there are 2 beds here. There's an extra mattress and there's the bed. So the room is air conditioned and it has LCD TV. Okay, so there's a mirror and a cabinet. Then there's also a personal refrigerator. Okay, I'm sorry, we have our stuffs here. Okay, so let's go inside the toilet and bath. So here's the toilet and bath. Okay. So the toilet and bath comes with hot and cold shower. And our room here is just few meters away from the beachfront. So there's our room and there's the beachfront. So there's the beachfront of Patrick's on the beach, Siargao. So if you're looking for an affordable beach resort here in Siargao Island, Philippines, I would highly recommend Patrick's on the Beach. I guess they offer the cheapest beachfront accommodation here in Siargao. And the good news is that I'm giving a huge discount if you book your Patrick's on the Beach room on my link in the description box below. So again, this is One Arm Wanderer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.